All right, this is going to be self-check 2.4, and we are on problem number 1. Again, there are 8 questions on this self-check, so give yourself 8 minutes, average of 2 minutes per question. Number 1, we have this guy. Joy, what'd you do? Or what'd you did E?
B.
B. All right, so Joy says B. So H goes to 0. Always think hot box when you see H goes to 0. There's our hot box. Our C is going to be the thing that's adding to H, which is 4. Scribble out everything, turn it into an X. Our function, ooh, what happened there? Turn it into an X. Our function is natural log of X, so we'll write that down. Our function, what am I writing up here? Our function, C is equal to 4. Our function is natural log of X, which means now we're taking the derivative, f prime of X is equal to 1 over X. And when I take f prime of C, or f prime of 4, it is 1 over 4. And you got the correct answer, Joy. It is B, 1/4. Let's check out number 2. All right, so do you want to say?
C.
You got C? Okay, we'll make a little tick mark. Let's check it out. So we have product rule again. So product rule is 1d2 plus 2d1. And filling in for this, 1 was X, d2 is, d2 is a lot of stuff. So you want to do it for us, Joy?
I got 1 over x squared.
1 over X squared. Don't forget about dinner.
Oh, times 2.
Times, almost right.
0.
Times, nope. So dowder was, I agree, it's 1 over X squared. But now here's the inner. So dinner is, yeah, there you go, 2X. Perfect. And now this is going to be added to 2d1, and 2 is pretty easy. It's just natural log of X squared. d1 is what, Joy? What is d1? Here's 1. So d1 is 1. Yep. All right, and simplifying, we have 2 x's on the bottom, 2 x's on the top. So I just have 2 plus, and then this is going to be natural log of X squared. All right, so you're off by a little bit. Yeah, it was just that dinner that fooled us. All right, so the correct answer is B. All right, good guess though. Questions on 2? No, okay. And to all watching the video, don't forget about dinner. Number 3. This guy, you want to take a guess or tell us what you got? No? Okay, I shattered your confidence. I apologize. Here we go. This is going to be low D high minus high D low all over low all over low squared. Okay, this one you have to be careful about. So here we go. The correct answer here, we do low, which is 2x. Derivative of the top is going to be what, Joy? So what's D high? Derivative of high.
Oh, 2 times e raised to the power of 2x.
2e to the 2x. And Joy skipped ahead here, and I'm just going to make sure this is clear in the video. The derivative is e to the 2x times dinner, and dinner is just 2, and she put the 2 out in front. So she's looking ahead, which speeds up your calculations on the AP test too, so good job. Minus, and then high is going to be e to the 2x, and then what's d low for us, Joy?
2.
Times 2, perfect. All of this is divided by low, which is 2x, and then this is where there's a key here, this entire thing squared. So now the simplification process. So this is going to be 4x e to the 2x minus 2e to the 2x. All of this divided by, and I can simplify this a little bit, this is going to be 4x squared. And you might be thinking, hey, Mr. Sindel, there's no 4x squareds. You must have just did this wrong. No. So this is the correct way so far. The thing that happens here is I can factor out something in the numerator. Can you see what that is, Joy? Yep, you can factor out e, and you can factor out
2.
Yeah, so you can factor out 2e to the 2x. And what's left in here is 2x minus 1. And this is all divided by 2 times 2x squared. I factored out the 2 here just to see that these 2's right here would cancel out, and you're left with e to the power of 2x times 2x minus 1 divided by 2x squared. And that's B. Wait, is that right? Yeah. No, it's not right. I got the right answer. I circled the wrong letter, and I'm sure that we do that quite often. Sorry about that. It's not B because that's 1 minus 2x. This is 2x minus 1, which is the correct answer. All right. Questions, Joy?
No.
Nope. All right. On to number 4. What is the instantaneous rate of change at this point? Okay, so we're going to be subbing in x equals 2 in that function. Okay, quotient rule. So it's high d low. It's not W. High d low minus low d high all over low low. Okay, my line can be better here. All over low low. All right, so high, I can do that. X squared minus 2. What's d low? Troy?
Oh.
D low?
2x.
Oh, careful here. So the derivative of the bottom is what I'm asking. D low.
Oh, 1.
1, yep. Minus, and then low I can do, and then you're going to do d high. D high is 2x, yep. And then this is all divided by x minus 1 to the power of 2. I'm going to go ahead and just substitute right away. I don't want to do any simplification. It's just a waste of time. So plug it in 2. 2 squared is 4, minus 2 is 2. So this term right here turned into 2 times 1. Good, okay. Minus. Subbing in 2 again. 2 minus 1 is 2. Oh, careful here, because I'm multiplying that by 2. Is this term right here is not 2, it's 1. Thank you. I don't know what I'm saying. 1, and then times 2 times 2 is, this guy's 4. So this is saying minus 4. All of this is now going to be divided by 2 minus 1 squared, which is, why am I writing 2 when I'm thinking 1? 1 squared, which is just 1. So the correct answer here is negative 2. Let's see if I did all of that right.
Would it be negative 2? Oh, wait. Oh, yeah. You're right.
I think it's negative 2.
Yeah.
If there's an error in the video, that's double extra credit though. All right, and that concludes the video. You want to say bye, Joy?
Bye.
Bye, guys, girls, whoever you are.